Hello, welcome. Let's continue. So you can see our back-end server is running and it's listening at port 3000. Now we're gonna install body parser, which is going to enable JSON to be transferred or be posted. Because in this class we are going to be writing a post route. So for us to do that, I'm going to quickly stop this server from running by doing Ctrl C. So Ctrl C will stop it running. You see, it's still in the back end. So I'm gonna, as we are in the back end, install body parser. So to install body parser, I should be able to install body parser so that we can work. So I'm gonna simply say npm no package manager, please help me and install. And while you install, please save it. So what are we installing and saving? Installing and saving body parser. So that is what we are installing. So this body parser will enable us to move JSON file, because we are creating a RESTful API. So we need our data to be transferred in form of a JSON object, JavaScript object. So that's why we need to install body parser. So I'm going to install body parser in the back end. Make sure that you are in the back end when you're installing body parser. Then after installing it, I'm going to be able to bring it into this our app. So if I bring it into this our app, then we can move forward. So you can see it is installing. I'm going to leave it for a while so that we can finish the installation. After which, I'm going to bring it into the app.js using the require keyword we know. So if we do const body parser equal to require body parser, it will bring it in. Then I can now declare it for it to be used by saying app.use body parser, and this time around I'm bringing the JSON of the body parser. So once I do that, I'll write the simple code snippet for the post API, and we should then be able to post. So let's wait for it to finish installing. Okay, you can see it has finished. It's a updated one package, so it has finished installing. So what I will do next is to import body parser here, just below where I imported the express. So to do that, I'm going to use this simple code, const like I said before, const body parser equal to require body parser. So if I bring in this code here, const body parser, so I'm bringing it with this variable name body parser. Require is the keyword to import, and what are we importing? The body parser that we had earlier installed. So now we have body parser here. Now having this body parser, now I can make it a global middleware to be used, and to do that I simply come down here. Please take note of where I have all these my codes. I'm going to upload it so that you can use them. So I'm gonna simply come down to this place. Okay, I can actually do it here, just below this express app. Can come here and make it a global system by saying app.use, and in brackets I'm gonna put body parser. Take be very careful and check the spelling, JSON. Then I'm gonna put another bracket. So that is how you set it as a global middleware, so that you can always use it. So I'm gonna put this to close this up. So once I've done this, I can now write the code for the code snippets for the post route. So I'm gonna just come just on top of the get route. So this is the post route. I'm gonna simply copy this and I'll put it here. and it's just similar to the get route. It's simply telling us that this is a post route, app.post, and this is the address where you're going. This is the route address, and it's going to be taking the rest and next objects as arguments. So it's telling us that it's going to console.log the request body. So anything that I post, I'm going to see it here in this terminal. It's going to console.log it, and I'm going to have the response status given and as well as the message. So here I will have the response status and the message together with the request body. So we're going to try one now and see the way it works. But before I do that, I have to start the server by saying nodemon server, press enter the key. So once I do that, I should be able to, once it starts running, I should be able to make this post request and have it shown. So it's running now. So let me get to my browser. So you can see here select thing. Click on it. This is the post aspect. So title. So what should I type as my title? The post. Then price. All those things that we have in the other one. Description. My first post. URL. You can just leave this blank or just type anything, then submit. So once I submit, it brings me here, but I'm not seeing it here because I don't have any database yet to persist my to persist the data. But I can get back to my to my terminal and should be able to see it. Okay. So okay, the servers are running. So when I get back to my terminal, I should be able to see the console.log down here. Okay, I did not save this. Please let me save it. Ctrl S. So I have to make sure that I saved it. Then get back to selecting and write any amount. Write any description, then submit. Okay, so it's showing here now. It's not showing here because no database yet. So when I get back here, you can see that I can see what I posted. This is the title, this is the description, this is the price, this is the image that I typed, and these are the IDs that are automatically generated. So you see that it is now working. So anything I post, I can see it console.logged out here because that's the command I'm using here, console.log. But when I use database, it will look much better. So that's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're gonna do. Thank you.